Welcome to our tutorial on how to remove blackheads naturally. Blackheads are a common skin concern for many people, but there are natural ways to get rid of them without using harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. In this video, we will be sharing some simple and effective remedies that you can use at home to help clear your skin and reduce the appearance of blackheads. Step 1. Cleanse your skin. The first step in getting rid of blackheads is to properly cleanse your skin. Use a gentle, non-abrasive cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and impurities from your skin. You can also try using a gentle exfoliating scrub to help remove dead skin cells that can clog your pores. Step 2. Steaming your face can help open up your pores and make it easier to remove blackheads. You can do this by filling a bowl with hot water and holding your face over the steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can also add a few drops of essential oils, such as tea tree or lavender, to the water for added benefits. Step 3. Extract the blackheads. Once your pores are open, it's time to extract the blackheads. You can do this by gently pressing on the skin around the blackhead with your fingers or using a blackhead extractor tool. Be sure to use a light touch and be careful not to damage your skin. Step 4. Apply a mask can help to further remove impurities and tighten your pores. You can use a clay mask or make your own at home with ingredients such as honey, yogurt, and turmeric. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse off with water. Step 5. Moisturize. Last but not least, it's important to moisturize your skin to keep it hydrated and healthy. Use a light, non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep your skin moisturized without clogging your pores. In conclusion, by following these simple steps, you can easily remove blackheads naturally and improve the overall appearance of your skin. Remember to be gentle and consistent with your skincare routine for best results. If you have any serious skin problem, please consult a dermatologist. Thanks for watching the Oil and Herbs channel. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please smash that like button and share with your friends.